So what do you do when your prints keep melting? Stay tuned and find out. Okay, so the Solid Doodle 4, you guys know I've been working on it, does not have a fan to help cool PLA when you're printing in PLA. So what can you do about that? Well, obviously you go out to Thingiverse, you find a model, and you buy a fan. So this is a 40 by 10 Noctua, and the nice thing with this is it actually even comes with a 3-pin to 2-pin converter, which will make it a lot easier to wire into the existing board, and it actually makes it so you can disconnect it to take the fan out without having to clip wires in the future if you lay things correctly. So we'll be doing this install at a later date, but first thing we need to do is print a way for this fan to attach to the print head. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have the fan out of the box, just little guy. And we have the print, which is actually in 2 parts, but for right now, the part that matters is the hollow with a little groove around the back, and it just kind of sits in and blows air down around the print, not directly on it, so that it can cool a little quicker, so that the print head doesn't melt right what it's printing on top of. So it'll obviously melt where it's printing, but you don't want it to melt the layer you just put down. You want that to solidify so you don't get like the Leaning Tower of PLAs. Anyways, comes in 2 parts, but the money part is obviously the fan. So you're just gonna put it in. It's got a nice little groove. This model is made for this size fan, so a 40 by 10. And then this clips on to the print head itself. And it just, with a couple of screws, will screw together. And away you go. Now, unfortunately, when I'm printing for the videos, the way that this model is designed, I will not be able to use this on prints I do for the channel, because basically it sits right in front of the print head and you wouldn't be able to see anything print. It would just be this thing moving back and forth in front of the video. So I probably won't use it on any 3D prints I do for the channel. However, if there's any fine detail work that I need to print, the nice thing is with a couple of screws, I can just, take this part off, leave the one print part there, and it should all be good to go and shouldn't matter at all, and you'll be able to see everything that's going on. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future 3D printing videos or the normal tech reviews that we do here on TimmyTechTV. Thumbs up, as always, and in the comments, go ahead and leave what you think the next 3D printing should be. I've been working on upgrades for the 3D printer to kind of get a little bit better quality out of the solid doodle, but if you want to see something cool, let me know. Maybe we'll do a TARDIS or something, but put it down in the comments down there. Let me know what you'd like to see and maybe why I should do it. Of course, lots of thumbs up. You thumbs down guys, I guess you're just not cool enough to like 3D printing. See you guys next time. This is Tim for TimmyTechTV. Later. So guys, make sure you